We have had 24 of South Australia's best humans here today for women interested in potentially pursuing an apprenticeship here. They have been engaged, they have an amazing attitude, they're willing to learn, and they have just embraced everything that's come at them today.
Today is all about encouraging women in trades, people very interested and keen to get up there and see new things.
Everyone is so welcoming and lovely here, and I'm just really interested in the electrical, getting up in the power lines, climbing the ladders today, the EWP. Yeah, it's a really good experience. It's a great opportunity.
I was doing a different career to this. I was doing dental assisting. I was a traffic controller. None of them were really working out for me, so I thought, why not do a trade?
I'm in traffic control. I just wanted to learn something new.
We've had the harnesses on, so they've gone up the power pole on the ladder just to know how that feels like. They've been in the bucket as well. They've been lifting some of the tools and equipment. And then also they've heard from real life people in those jobs as well to be able to ask questions and understand from people that do those jobs.
I think it's just really important that females can come out and see what it's about. They generally shy away from it. It's great to see a lot of women turn out that are interested in this sort of field because it's a great job.
It does open a lot of doors. It provides a lot of opportunity. It's some great career stability. That's a really great thing to have that in your life as well. There is nothing to lose by giving it a go. Jump outside your comfort zone and you'll try something new. But your career is a marathon, not a sprint. So if we don't try things, we'll never know what our opportunities could be.